Now that I have a course in Buzz and that my students are enrolled, I'm ready to add content to my course. To do this, locating my course card, I'm going to locate the pencil icon, which stands for the editor, and I'm going to click it. Once I'm in my editor, I'm going to go up and I'm going to click on Add Activity. Once I click this, my activity window will pop up. I want to go over to my second column on the top and click where it says Library. Once I'm in my digital library, I'm going to locate the curriculum I wish to populate my course with. And I'm going to click Open. My content will populate. I'm going to locate the course I'm looking for. Courses are in alphabetical order and then numerical order. I'm looking for grade 9 English, so I'm going to scroll down to find my 9s, and I'm going to click on the student resources for grade 9 English. I'm going to click Open. I've located the source I want, which is my supplemental assessment questions. I'm going to click Add to Cart. In the upper right, it's hard to see right now, but it says Copy and then Link. I'm going to select Copy to copy these into my course. My assets are going to copy into my own course. I now have curriculum within my course that is ready to use for my students.